In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add an FAQ page to your Shopify store and make it visible to your customers. Let's dive right into the process. First, start by heading over to your Shopify admin console. This is the home base where you manage all aspects of your online store, everything from products to orders and, of course, your store's pages. Once you're in the Shopify admin, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the online store option. Click on it. This is where you can manage themes, add pages, and customize how your store looks and functions for your customers. After clicking the online store, you'll see several options appear underneath it. Select Pages. Now, you're going to create a new page. At the top right corner of the page's interface, you'll find a button labeled Add Page. Click on this to begin crafting your new FAQ page. After clicking to add a page, you'll be brought to a new screen where you can begin filling out the page details. In the title field, type in FAQ to clearly define the purpose of this page. It's a good practice to fill in the content that will inform your customers about your products or services, addressing common questions they might have. A well-crafted FAQ page can save you time on customer support and improve customer satisfaction. Next, we're going to make sure this page is visible to your store visitors once it's published. Look for the visibility settings on this page. By default, the page might be set to hidden, meaning only you can see it while working on it. Go ahead and click on Visibility and then choose the Visible option. This ensures that once you hit save, your customers will be able to access and read through your FAQ page. Now it's time to save your progress. You'll want to do this by clicking the Save buttons at the top of the page. Saving your work often is a crucial step to make sure you don't lose any changes you've made. With the page created and saved, let's add this FAQ page to your navigation menu so your customers can find it easily. Navigate back to the online store again, and now click on Content. From the options presented, select Menus. Here, you can manage your store's navigation. In the Menus section, click on Main Menu, likely your primary navigation menu that visitors see. Add a new menu item by clicking on Add Menu Item. In the label field, type FAQ to match the page you've created. Then, you'll need to link this menu item to the page itself. Click Link and select the FAQ page you've just made. This step connects the menu label to the actual page, ensuring visitors can click on it and navigate directly to your FAQs. After adding the menu item, ensure everything is set by going back to your online store section. Finally, click on View Your Store to see the changes live. You should now see your FAQ page listed as part of your store's navigation. And there you have it. You've successfully added an FAQ page to your Shopify store, making it readily accessible to your customers. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.